Hey everybody, it's time for another rocket launch. We're in Searsport with Big Doug, Max, Ellie, Casper, and myself, Little Doug. And we're getting ready to go. We have a lot of rockets today, all designed in with some new features that we'll talk about as we go along. So it's a little bit windy, so we expect some things to go a little bit weird, but hopefully the new rocket designs will improve the stability and the recovery. All right, so here we go. We're gonna get ready. We'll talk about each rocket before we pop them on the launch pad. All right, here we go.
All in similar convention.
All right, here's the first rocket. This one is called Ancha, and all these rockets are named after the proper names of stars in various galaxies or constellations. This is a B rocket. It's very tiny. The feature with this one is it has canted fins, which we hope will make it spin as it takes off. So let's have a look.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, nice. Good spiral. Fast.
Oh, great.
Wow!
And it's coming down. It might not go below.
Oh,
yeah. It's
spinning.
Oh,
rocket.
Oof.
Yes, dude. A dart.
All right, so that worked exactly as anticipated. All right, Max, what do you got in your hand
I
here?
have the Karaka with a coefficient of 1.96.
Fantastic, and that coefficient is a coefficient of stability, which is calculated by the distance that the center of pressure is behind the center of gravity. In this case, it means it's 2.9 diameters of the rocket away. That means it should be very stable. A 1 stability coefficient is very much marginal. Anything under 1 is unstable. So we're way ahead, and it should go 640 feet. All right, let's have a look.
3, 2, 1.
Gnarly.
Very stable.
That's way up there. Hey, that's deployment.
Yeah, it's a really successful deployment.
Yeah, that was really smooth. That might have been the best one I've seen in a long time.
Where will it end up?
I lost it.
I got it. And actually, before.
Oh, it landed on the grass too.
All right.
How about that?
1 up, 1 down.
Good launch.
Actually, that's 2 up, 2 down. Both are recoverable. So far, so good.
Pressure's on. Boy, oh boy, I can't wait.
This is the
I
Macondo.
hope it either goes.
It's supposed to go 700 feet with a coefficient of 2.3.
I want to go up and
All right, it's a C rocket, and that coefficient of 2.3 means it's about 2 times more stable than it needs to be. Let's see how it works.
3, 2, 1. Lift off. Woo.
Another pretty good one.
Ooh, good pop.
That was smooth.
It's deployed all right.
Goodness, Dad.
I'm pretty in about the same spot.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be recoverable if it doesn't hit anybody's car.
Oh, no, he's fine.
Isn't that a parking lot?
Yeah, that's 3 up.
It's on the same line, too.
Yeah, it's
Right.
the same line exactly.
It looks like it fell apart. It looks like it's gonna stay together.
Yeah,
It's all on the string.
So it bounced.
All right, that's 3 up, 3 down. Pretty good so far.
All right,
Okay.
this rocket is called K4-4. It's my first rocket that I've designed and actually made. It has some sort of C. I don't think it's a 6.5 in it. It weighs 132 grams and it's 567 millimeters tall. That's all we know about it.
All right, let's pop it in and see if it's stable. We'll find out.
Voyage.
3, 2, 1.
Really good.
All right, now for stage 2.
Hey!
Oh, we lost it.
Oh, it's separated, Cap.
I lost
did?
the streamer.
Yeah, it's separated.
That's
I've lost it in the sun.
I got eyes on it. It's pretty close.
Oh, there it goes.
That was pretty good.
Pretty good. Well, we can get it back.
That's a successful launch in my opinion.
Yeah, usually they don't open.
How do you feel about your first rocket going up, Cap?
It was like a 9.5 out of 10. I mean,
Oh!
the only thing that could have gone better is the streamer detached. But
Yeah.
usually they don't even open, so.
Yeah, he did pretty good there on his first one.
Pretty
Yeah,
well.
that's better. Rocket Albala, 700 feet, 171 miles per hour calculated. CAL 3.3.
So this is a super stable rocket. This should turn right into the wind. Let's see how it goes.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh,
Too
stable problems.
It's still not.
Whoa! Boom!
That was pretty impressive.
3 is.
Oh my goodness.
Holy shit!
So a 3.
Oh man.
Perfect recovery.
Into the ground.
This rocket is titled Titowin. It has a 1.9 stability coefficient, which seems like pretty good for the current rockets we've had. It's supposed to go about 800 feet and reach 200 miles per hour.
Right, what sized engine's in there?
D16.
Ooh, let's check it out.
Ooh!
Vicky,
Ready? Count. Who's got the clicker?
are you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's recording.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Not bad.
Great.
At all.
Really nice.
That was straight as a friggin' arrow.
Uh-oh.
That's ballistic and coming right for us.
It's ballistic.
Is it?
Oh my
Oh yeah.
Holy shit! That one, I thought I heard it pop.
No.
Go.
This rocket is named simply D. It's got a coefficient of 2.6 and a D18 motor in it, and notably, it has a tally mark on the top because it has survived one full round of rocketing, and this will be its second voyage out without termination.
That is very rare indeed. Let's pop it up on the launch pad.
3, 2, 1.
That one did not go straight.
No.
Really far away.
That one wind cocked.
Dude.
I got it.
You got it?
Wow, that was so
I
high.
do.
Coming back.
It's coming back.
That was so fast.
It has deployed. Just have to
Right in the sun.
keep the sun from losing it.
I see it.
If my hand's in front of the camera, sorry.
Pass over the sun now.
Going to school.
Yeah, it's heading down near the school.
It's heading by the school.
Between the fences.
On the ground! Yeah!
Landed in the play area. Luckily, there are no children present.
This is the Veritate. 1.8 coefficient of stability. 700 feet at 180 miles per hour.
That's right, 1.8. So this is getting closer to the margin. So we'll see how it does. It is a bit windy. Hopefully this will get to the apex.
With the distinctive bulb tip.
Oh, the bulb tip. That's right, it's a bulb tip rocket. All right, let's pop it on.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Really good. Cock it into the wind. Oh, I think that one's gonna get away from us. It did deploy. Streamer's out, but it might end up on top of the public structure over here. Oof.
That's a tin roof.
I heard it hit a tin roof. Well, one of the custodians will probably be at my shop delivering it.
Yeah. Go.
Alfred, 1.4 caliber, 172 mile an hour, H-H775 feet. It's got a D rocket in it. It's a pretty
Alright.
good sized rocket.
All right. Yes. What are
And It's a fat boy.
Yep, it's our first 24 millimeter rocket of the day.
There's the back ender.
Right there. All right. Let's pop it on.
Okay.
3,
Here goes fat boy.
1.
Wow, I like that one. That one went good.
Very straight. Oh, perfect deployment. Looks like it's gonna come down. Wow, the wind's just picked it up really a lot. Look at it go.
Where'd it go?
It's over there.
Oh, over the
It's got a parachute.
It's a parachute?
Oh, it's over the hill, but we can get to it.
Yeah, that's in the parking lot.
Nice.
This is the Almach, a D18 engine with a coefficient of 2.8. Beautiful red, or rather yellow, white, and silver.
Yes, lovely. 880 feet. Looks like it is a D, an 18 millimeter D. Looks like we had one more of those to do. All right, let's check it out.
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Right?
That went straight up.
Yep, cocked into the wind like it's supposed to. Oh, it's ballistic.
That didn't happen. What happened?
Ballistic. Oof.
Oh, that one snapped.
That one is nothing now. Oh.
No, it's in the little patch of grass.
Yeah.
Over on the other.
This is the Nimbus. 160 miles an hour.
All right. Another 24 millimeter D engine. Let's see how she does. It's getting a lot windier, isn't it, Ellie?
Very much so.
So we'll see if the wind cocking works. About time I talked about overstability. Last video we talked about stability. Today I'm talking about overstability. Ralph's immune system is overstable as it sneezes out some sort of allergen. However, overstability means that the rocket is more likely to cock into the wind. So with the wind blowing faster than, say, about 7 miles an hour, the rocket will turn itself to go into the wind. And the higher the wind, the higher it'll wind cock.
3, 2, 1.
Very stable. Yay! Clean deploy. That is a tiny parachute.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh, no. Actually, that's coming down pretty good.
It is. Oh, into the trees.
Yeah, we're in a tree. Holy shit.
Yeah.
That really traveled far.
Glad I didn't put a bigger parachute on it.
Yeah, it'd still be up there.
Yeah.
This is the Merrick, 167 miles per hour, 4.4 caliber, F&F, 825 feet maybe. It's got a D+ rocket in it. New technology in the back end.
There we go. Yeah, with that high stability quotient, we expect it to turn right into the wind. Let's hope we get it back.
3, 2, 1.
See?
It found it.
It's doing exactly what we expect.
Yeah.
Oh, deployment failure.
And it's going on. Where's it going?
Into the...
That sounded like it exploded.
Yeah.
All right, this rocket is called Odd Heel. It's supposed to go 775 feet at 150 miles per hour, and it's our first E of the day with an E12-6. I don't know
Wow.
if it has a listed stability.
It doesn't have a listed
Doesn't.
stability.
This one's like mine, it's unrated. It's a
Well,
crazy rocket.
I guess we're just gonna have to find
We're just
out.
gonna have to find out.
Yeah.
All right, first E of the day.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Really good out of the end.
If it deploys,
There it goes.
yay!
That's the engine smoking on.
And it's got a parachute,
It's coming right to us.
and the parachute is functioning.
Love how it's making a little helicopter. That's great.
Will it get over the fence?
That was so big though. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Not bad though.
Hit, hit kind of hard, but we'll get it back.
We now have Buna. It's got a coefficient of 2.63 and an E motor. It's also very beautiful.
Nice.
1,000 feet on that? That's what they said?
Yeah, it's 1,000 feet.
Hopefully.
Let's pop it on. This E-rocket over 1 meter long. Go for it.
3, 2, 1.
Ground wind got it.
Really good windcock.
What a catapult.
Oh, it broke up.
It broke midair. There's
broke.
the rest of it.
But there is part of the rocket
It's over there. Anything?
going down with its tiny parachute. The wind pushing it in to the recoverable field. All right. Fly on a set, Casper.
This rocket is called Sternacht. It's supposed to go 1,050 feet in the air at 205 miles per hour. Now I'm told it has an Aerotech mid-power E15-4. Is that correct?
That is correct. We've moved into the mid-power rocket sizes for engines. Believe it or not, all the other ones were low power. All right, let's get the mid-power baby onto the pad. Go, mid-power rocket, ready.
3, 2, 1.
That went really high.
High power. Holy.
And it has deployed.
Awesome. And also that's very high.
Yeah. Well, we almost hit that plane flying.
No, don't say stuff like that. Here comes, here comes
They're calling NASA now.
the deployment.
Where is it? I lost it.
Looks like parking lot.
I lost it completely. Oh, there it is.
Big, I don't
Gonna go in the parking lot?
Right on top of the
Landon.
Oh, that will get it back.
I was worried about the fuel out of the tank.
Okay.
So we stay warm.
Ready? Okay, so it's a lot colder than we thought, and it's been very windy. Everybody's freezing to death, especially Casper, who didn't wear warm enough clothes after we had warned him. So he's gonna start taking stuff down. The rest of us will go collect our rockets. We probably won't do an individual rocket post-mortem out here in the frost. So this has been the Bergfeld Rocket Squad, and we have been in Searsport. And thanks for watching.
We can critique at the house if you
Yes,
want to.
yes, we can.
Oh,
We can
okay.
discuss this later.
Can I do the wrap out? Can I
Yes.
do my
Yeah,
tail
you
out?
may. Sorry.
We are the Bergfeld Rocket Squad here in Searsport. Thank you very much for watching.